This is like Disneyland. I know. We have to bring the kids here.
I just think when I'm pregnant, I just want to feel really normal.
I have not been to a grocery store in 2 years.
I haven't been to a grocery store in forever. I want to go to the grocery stores and pick my own things.
Me too. It's
We need
good
to start
for
getting.
our souls.
It's good for our soul.
One of the things that gets a little tricky is privacy. I stopped going to the grocery store because the people that were in the grocery store were sneaking pictures, and then suddenly paparazzi would show up. It was hard.
I just need the experience of checking out. Waited for this for years.
Oh, well, we didn't blow up. That's the good news.